Hi, this is the product demo of IPM Plus Endpoints Productivity Manager. Right now I have logged in to the Productivity Manager dashboard where you can see the summary of all the teams, and it is a comparative view of the productivity index of different teams, and teams are based on the manager names that are input to the console. And we can see for the selected date range what is the productivity index of the team and how many users are reporting to this particular manager row wise. And productivity index is the ratio of productive hours to the total active hours of each user who is contributing. And productive hours are again based on the usage of productive applications, and these applications can be classified by the admin in the centralized console itself. So this is the manager wise or team wise productivity index, and you can also have a comparative view of present month and also the previous month, like the average per user per day productive hour of present month, whereas compared to the previous month, total number of reported users in the present and the previous month. So these are the things that allow you to visualize the productivity across the organization with a comparative view of present and the previous month. And coming back to the team-wise productivity summary, we can drill down into one of the teams here, say Sanjay's team. So in Sanjay's team, we are seeing the report for the user VIPL admin, and for each day the user has logged in to the system. We can see the login and logout timings, and also which are the productive applications he has used throughout the day, and what is the host name of the machine he has logged in, and also the total productive hours that he has worked on each day. So this is the day wise report that is available. So we can select the users for which we want to visualize the report, and also we can select the host names of the systems that we want to filter the reports, and we can visualize this particular report for each manager. So right now I have logged in as the admin of the console, so I am able to see the reports of each manager within the console. And the console has the functionality that each manager can individually log in and see the reports of all the teams that are under him. So that's also possible. And going to the next level drill down, we have multiple reports for each user, and productivity report, which is for each user we have an individual report. Here first of all we see the average productive hours on weekdays, and also on weekends, which is Saturday and Sunday by default, and again it can be configured. So for the selected date range, what is the average that we are seeing? So for VIPL admin, on an average is working for 8.5 hours, and by selecting productive and non-productive applications, the admin will be able to see how many hours he was active, and out of that how many hours he was productive on a particular day. And coming to the day wise details, we are seeing the total productive hours in a day, and productivity index for the day, and CPU and memory utilization on an average, which is calculated by the agent. So this is the day wise detailed report. And going to the application usage report, which shows a comprehensive view of what are all the applications he has used on each day, and the usage duration for each application individually. So he has used Skype on 26th May for 1.5 hours nearly, and Notepad for 18 minutes, and again on 25th Skype was used for almost 2 hours. So this is how we can read this report, getting to know each application usage individually. And We also have the top 10 applications for the selected date range and how long as a sum the usage duration was there. And going to another report which shows the browsing history details. So this is the report which shows the title of all the web pages that the user has visited and how long the particular tab was active. That is also available. So we can read it like on 20th May for 1 hour Yahoo Mail was used and WhatsApp on Google Chrome was used for 9 minutes. So this is how we can read the report individually, visualizing the web page and also the usage duration. And going to the login logout report, we are able to see on each day what time the user has logged in and what time he logged out. And also we can see the session details, like in between the day, how many times he logged in, he logged out and took all the breaks. So these are the different data that is captured automatically by the agent. So on 26th he logged in first at 9:52 and logged out again at 9:58, working for 6 minutes. Again he came back at 10 and logged out at 10:11, so again 10 minutes. So these are the different sessions the user logged in and logged out in between the day. And this is the first login and last logout for the day that is reported here. And also based on the idleness, the agent captures the breaks taken, and this is the total break duration for 26, that is 43 minutes, and less than 30-minute breaks were taken, to which is totaling to 43 minutes again. And so this shows how the pattern of how the idleness is reported in each system individually. So as I said, all these reports are for individual user, and we can filter the user and also the host name for each user. And going to the screen capture report, if the productivity index, that is the ratio of productive hours to that of active hours, is less than the threshold that is set by the manager, then the adaptive screen capture feature is enabled at the agent. So agent captures the screenshot of end user machines at random timestamps, and these screenshots are made available to the console, and the manager can download these reports and take a look into them. So let me see one of the reports here, the screenshots. So once we unzip, we will be able to see the screenshots which are of very low resolution, and we are not invading the privacy of the user. We are just letting the manager know what is the application that was being used at the point of time the screen was captured. So this screen capture is basically enabled when the productivity index falls below the threshold that is set by the manager. And also we are capturing the liveliness of the user by using the webcam, and throughout the day, if the user was present or not in front of the system is being recorded, and the total live duration is shown against each day. So on 26th, the user was available in front of the system for 5.75 hours, and on 25th he was available for 7.25 hours. So each day, whenever the productivity index falls below the threshold for the past day, the liveliness check begins automatically, and we can also visualize the total present and absent hours in this particular graph. So on 21st, he was totally present for 4.25 hour and absent for 4.50 hour whenever the agent was checking the user presence in front of the system. So this is about the screen capture and liveness check. And so these are the different reports that are available under the productivity manager. One is the application usage, the other is the browsing history, login, logout, and also the productivity report. And each manager will be able to visualize all these reports for his own team. So this is about the productivity manager under IPM Plus Endpoints product suite.